Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. So for me,
order for me in this CC Chum that they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
Over the open program one denisham fast sports one tie irrigated sport Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Fine. Kwame Akwaba.
Kwaku mejo so
Emponu mu te say.
Hwede ampo Nyankopon adom ye ho ye na ye tempo anu nso de na jase anwemu ane we ma hu se ai opani posters titare ka ho me hu ba se John me hu ne ye na me ra ho papa ka ni di manim na kese ba ko tare kire me hu se oni pa wo ba bi ko emre nso ye ninka so kwaku oni pa nche no wadi amia kwaku
tina udana de chenwa it is a fair to
exactly
the radius what can you say now what kind me ope irrigated sports who say obia so on the champion what you say name no champion of champions pa achese papa we ni there or no or a big man, let me put it that way, he's a big man your friend no Mr. Kweku Gambra. Now we shall not say one more chance or one so a gun and knee. Option the structure and the BB are not a typical American pa. Now, or yeah, Juma or one of the American folk and cry example to say Ankaha okay, so or one of the mayors no office. Oh,
yeah. Now,
because we're big mass, I didn't know tire meetings. Nations one fire irrigated in your good, you know. So, I no meeting a basic irrigated time one. So timi hwe na omoro eto
omo record to
say dey be ya oba obebwachi on fire irrigated in near grokra wa ba ha be science pen from the US yeah eti Mr. Kweku Gambra happy birthday to you
and na
wa woda na me on show na on ton kwandem na say dey oyam ye a wunya bia ma ye bi no awurade ma unya mo pa sa say dey be ya aja unya ne mo na na bi so so mo
me say me bompa ya I am say ya bompa ma ya tamfo tam na me bompa ma tamfo me dey bom mo ma dofo me say me bompa ma tamfo no kra ba ko pe me ko bi ko dwe me we me ko bompa ma tamfo
oh me
me dey adaji o
omunya nkwatenten o de omo ntena se nche na
say
dey ba mi hia ne bom behu
sa tam me dey bompa ma yi rubi adjuma mo ne charity ben mo ne Rashida mo Nyankopon kwaso ahira wo mo tam me ko westi wa tamfo ho no this I don't have time for them. Kwaku. Enso atone menim se bia wo so bi toya.
Massive.
Atoy pa.
Just that and check and tough for
it was short span.
Yes, but it was very
heavy.
Now no share said the about him say it's going to pa kiti.
Na ade ba ko ne se kromo ye wakwan ne ba bi wo ho a enso to a etai ekwan ne so.
Na nim ade ba ko ha me.
Dabi.
Sprinters Road, right from a friend saying Estate Junction one.
Okay.
A DTSC Sprinters no.
Okay.
Oh, master, a hoya to near there. And I'm why my say mobile be ye man. Kwame, menka say Ghana bit me a bruchi overnight. But said democracy kwa omwan omde buy na yesu om nyesa. Enti ade ntina say ye hu bibi wa brofo na eye na yesu a yenye ni yi se ne nka ye mpe kwan papa yi anka be na mfuturo mu a but ye hu so mo yi akwan wo mkuro mu a efe
ene yensu yi
so
bo na ye kota ni
yes enti yensu ye bi e be boan ne ye bi hwe me kai country ko but me na me wo country bi na me fi one city kwa another city ye fa ne senka from
Accra to Kumasi
Kumasi kwa de muwa o de enfa ne say ben enfa say bia tematu Accra bia na kaswa won ekwan ne dual carriage o kwa meti asem ne yie pa kwan dual carriage
ya ha mienu
no omoko
exactly
ena yenfa ne say omo e wo benkum omo mienu no won baako one side that say kwame ena awia kete o abrofo ne ye kwan na onim de omo ye sa awia bubi na otutututu efom no baako di anim ena otutu kota na ewa anim no otutu ni nano na machine ba ko ti osisa ono so sa no de agu tipa truck mu eye man no ro kona tipa truck fro ba no osagum e ko ni nano ba ko so ono so edua mad no so aye ogu ko cha no eye level we na ba ko so de ogu ko cha ono so di different anya e feel so o feel so na machine ba ko 18 team so it is called a serious nation na nachi o ba ko so de aye to say de aye no concrete ni ono so di gu so na another one 18 team so and the last one ogu ko cha that's a serious ogu ni na omo hey, me say afemi John my time and say and I'm like wow that's a serious which means ebedu anwumre na omo ye ko ni na na ye kwan ko akura say me na kan san kwa me kohwe omo fit to 2 suspenders we are making enye ne omo ye no mo level so na ensuo bi ni di kan toy and the whole ni na gu gata num ko and omo asansan ba be biem na ensuo che say oh no ye ti because the project ni kwa atwen abato oh you said that Jesus ba ko ni yi just enye kwa ya twa am na du say kwa me si nsuo san to ye kono kohwe de wasan ye si biem nsuo san to kono kohwe de adwuma mo ayi na cost 90 ani o mo kosa de begu o na ne ade na nsuo na horo ade diko ade ne ye agro we ni so oh kwa ku problem ba ko e wo kromu asemi nim say ebi ato obi da awie ya me bai enye twedi ampodi di me ho afofia kwakunka wonti asem papa and say highway no flyover here wo hoyi baby wo before baba bridge na edikan no ensuo tai ho let us say kwane dash from the other end you know who cost speed who hwe and me hu say car na be wuramu a manimu nyina akata wow and nyame na bom say car we na waso kakra waso kakra ntino na saloon car kwakunka sem beto me say ensuo na mfiri ho anwumre ko si say ade be chem yenti asem papa enye ho nko a say Peace FM before Peace FM so e bi tai ho ai sa share obi na ho no ho kakra e bi tai ho na oba na bedu telecom university ho so tai na say kwaku telecom na jawu de nti ajai o be yi ko tani na just say ko tani na si ana ma enso ni which means the thing can be repaired let me say situation I don't get it Charlie they call police for no police no be yi ko tani me free ho enso ni be time ho biem e che say Peace FM ho di no ye yi a e be jai adentina eso omonye ye ko situma dwuma gwaku and na bo 430 na mini hayi na me mfa nkra bia ma papa bes ma ne nkoto abu a o so no pa ye ma me kwari o adentina krom wa de ti krom ha na de so hwe ma ekwaso dwodwo koso onye street light wu a de so ma ne so the whole of the overpass na ho no kan ye ba ko pe kran so from Atimota old station akwa see o kan ya na mo so pekasa kan ya ba ko pekra so but ye obi a fa kan ya sha ne nsa abosu bi akwaji pe obi adwuma no bosu bi oji pe sa oni pa no so ya ka se abanya no so ka bi na abanya nyedi so una hwe kan ya so o ma ne nso sabi ni mu ka se kan ya na ahia ko betuma tno me se kwakwa buru 5 years o wo de kwan obi ofa so bia amasamanfo mu amukọ kumase ensa mu fo me boa mu ka se me boa throughout the overpass no there's no single light it is so and so I can't say it's nice what you say people should be responsible yes ya mo bi adwuma I say make it just wo ye ya nkran adwuma you dare not set 3 o'clock abo comment say mada you dare not you can't do it you can't I don't know about dem mo say ka frache mo didi nsem foma ya ho tire ko ma I fine akudi no entin koda na na some before je ababia wo bia no otime ka wontie onam kwanso awoba ana okwayi no yo ene kokome yene se na ya me kwayi ase koye MC a aya me ye no me ye ne sa ade ama na say ampofo agye ene se ana se me wona na say ampofo agye na yie no asema ye se na se ne me fie mere wa nyina asenti no na yie we ma fan world cup se me ya me hwe yie no ma ya ntutue ni nyina ade ama no enti ansa bode ni bi aba babi opani o tie me bia no won ti ase sense abode ni bi aba na aba sa no so de na ase me di tudwa e de ma no ansa na de wo bia no me di atudwa eye abrantie bia e friend say Al Hassan and did Al Hassan Musa enti na asampofo age wo ha tie me ai oye be hia wa na hia wi nana enti yewura Al Hassan Musa awo Palermo ewo Italy abrochimam o de tese oya ukro e diska na mia kwanchan so de efa ye diska na eto enti ene wo berewa atofom a wo berewa ko ne nkrachi a ontimi hwe wo sa akwa okita ne nsam sika titisika no 2 million je never take himself focus bi na say oni abusuafo ono otibia na asem nkoro nkwotia no na ye wo bia emfanto aso aha za anti maboni sanwa ye etimo na na se sanwa we a obonu fe mahuza alo someone now could do that.
That's a best so. And when the mobile money material na me ye, me was what come open. Papa. Sa abuja for not na ma. Kwaku say ye ba du bi someone.
Oh yes.
The PhD.
Enye ni na a contract aso.
Don't go no jinsa wadi.
Why gidi da?
Enti ye fe na Alasan Musa. So am fa irrigated any agro. It ono ye so otwe ankodwa ne nguma continue. Wade afama mafidie yi so. Enti obi bia pese obo na asensa wa bia no. Na na say wafidie ni bi. Mesu mu wafidie na jari so wafidie. Wo de fa fidie mo ba ne so a. Ye de be ma na say na ono so da kosie ni na. Kwaku weekend ni ye ko na say na yie no. Mr. A akwasi ambofo agye. Ne ma me nim pompa. Ana oda fom no enti nyina be koma mpom na ya ko jam na say ampofo agye enti na ano ho asem no Kwaku na
weekend we ankasa no
very packed
enye easy
me say
elder wo aboso kan ono so ne ma me de ono kura ne ma me na ne papa eno ewo alajo haya and
kan de ne betima kwana temtem
eno say no say me ko gina mu bi
so we dikin ono ye elder enti elder
na kwame Hanover ono so ne maame on de ohima pa nimpo pa enti no de ahima afo yi pa na wo se omo de no ahimfo de ne de omo we bia ye omo ye 40th na omo 40 days de no omo ye no
yeah I don't say you na pepe
enti we no ye kwakoye no awi ansa na liter no yi na nkasa baso nti eno so be baso akuase
akwa akuase
ai ya chese
weekend ya
nana dankwa ampim nana ampim dankwa se de bi nkan no aka nana kwabia ai ona bekumine of akuase so atiase ti ne 40 days no ena baso din
Kwaku register yes yan ko check you ko check wo de
voters
no yes yan ko so bi adin da ne da ko check
me de ndaka no
banya card no
me du na go
say ores
enura na me bom trim po say ne na me ye
okay
ne no da bi say me koye but me hwe time no eno na me so won ade a me mpe na me na me ye yi na mo hwe
na me ko ba bi de ma me safe version kwa ya me mpe
etim pesa me kotwen me DQ mu edu me so a na ma check me de ba me check nipa na o me yes me bo akiri
ahwe ya na train be bo
na me ye me so tema na me fiba ntino ese me ye nti o chana mu no me kontem
de jam pesa ko check say yes na opoku agiman assistant woman for the president
assistant woman
and I mean can say flag bearer and so no na be dey akiri oru John Dramani mampani da John Dramani Mahama na be dey akiri onyono ono nka say di nkra duplicate ya bamti no etra pese kwacha ke odi no say na opoku adima nkra de no ay wontwimo nka de a nikwa kuminu mienu de na say kwacha ke yes say yes or victim of a duplicated we ni bi ono nka sa o enti kwaku say kwacha ke ara but yes o short code bi a I think 422 and
I work across on or any day electronically.
I think the people should also do that. Not use no so anti
a cross sky cross and their mommy 1422
1422
and may need that can
I think most people
now my me run is ana or how be
more Android phones near the
other all run as they be or how be or there and now be co precondia now so what I say
Samuel Gina animal catch up with
sky there and says over there ono still I irrigated petrol kese pa
still maintaining kaya o maintaining
I hope so tin kasa
we don't tell
no no so we na ja kwaye
and akwala so shop ani sky we too much right
it me go for
my phones ni ade dem mu use we ni mo
it pa chefo amutia irrigated see a won check wo de na 1422 obo wo voter ID number na na wa send the akọ 1422
exactly
wo details ni na beba na wa check ya say papa na say o how bi o mu ahwe no how bi o mu ani wi na wa kona o mu ahwe no mu asort theater mo simple enu ano
yo Kwaku na wo plans bi say wo nyamba bi say Vietnam a wo betu kwan akọ
Vietnam
so there I
na minko
and ya wo kwa fa condom ko
say minko to me pa ho
bibia betimi yes Kwaku company bi o wadwuma mo ya ne say condom ankrofo use atu agu no no na san recycle as dia je boss
e kase
nti approach for
na say ne aye week ɛno saa na ɛbɛte te rɔ
kwaku one ho bantem ti condom ne mrɛ they say adabridjo nti condom no pressure ni so obu a obo ani ana saw nti condom ne yam still kwaku approach for call makatia use condom makoma 324,000
na na say
324,000
na say aka nu adu korongo na de aka ni na odi
and then someone wa haji
na on someone said your kind na abusuafo no so ati we ne wo yo hwe nye
alasa wo pale mo abon sama 200 Ghana
200 na abusuafo no nya ati ya yetiro we wa so di bu petrol ya enkunta Monday na mbuka no wahu
Monday tuba se puseni ba kwasa se
ya wa hwe Monday obi raise say issue nti
200 titi scam na make tell me 2 million 200 nesika ni 200 nti opani mi fi apa boche na me ngoso ma ho sanse obi sika de titi obi boto oru na friend Alasan owo Palemo it's the Palemo we are gated farm pa mfani ya kwaku pictures ni bi ni images bi wa bi ma
condom enti bebrebe enti no my problem is where did they get this
omo na ball so any baby an almost said
are home to condom go ball has
condom you use you the twin
na say we disposing of like be crowd to me here
o the twin why you see that who you the twin
me
and can't tell me so use condom that
ma use condom
and now you the twin
na na baby am the control person ko fa na
na be person me hunu
me the two bin mu
aba be so use condom ya ya ndai aba be so rio
medical o se me konwa
bia makohu aba be so use condom ya we ya use ya ndai
me se me to twene
me
share bin mu
that's bin mu sa bin mu na mo na mo yi condoms no wan ti bola no ombe hwehwemu a de wa use no ma yi ni nyina om de man crop mo so de use condom de ba beji sika wo se kromo na mo se crop sisa pure water used one no e de correct recycling sa no mo ye condom no e wo Facebook kom behu and the pictures are there
mo share on your Facebook page
and approach for nya ntia no mo se sa de en kwakire nkrofo no ampani ampa mo kopie ho na je se condom be bregu e guso e hu adwuma ye chim obi se juice
and omu cheese pepper
yeah no ma ho no sorry you see ho
the adwuma we omu ye dia nyom tai
condom kwa ne boy say
condom how much would you get from this
what you say kwaku entino oni chim ayi juice ni nyina free mu na unte juice na kwaku ni udi say spam ni ba any juice ba we aware so condom ni ayi spam ni ba ko ni juice
na sa de bia ye phone bia ko bi
juice
it's juice different
and your pineapple juice a mango juice and a human juice kwaku enti company de omo ya an said there be and padi for say no enti opani oda no ne akire no afa enipa ekoto omo sa bre na no mo adwuma ni nyina ene obu okora no akola woni mhwe ne dia no say omu nsuo ngu condom dada so ene obu nsuo gu so a omu nyina approach for asesa omo de omo akogina sem dibia say there be ene ma ya recycle ton no condoms enka ho nti na ano so ho asem no ba kwaku say ukoto condom a na e used a ubede na wahu
na be den
condom sa tare no
say we dey say
Olo one voice pano say asem
bina oni ni kru ora o ya no ku say nuku no ato condom na ne shirt bi hang over bi no ku say e wona say bi kakra so on for trade draw bi na be mo no tewi no ya no hu say say e condom na shim
e say the credit pocket
nti o check hwe no ohun na dodo ti omu ano san bo akiri hwe no hu say ade no so ate ti wadu hu say ene be ma no
o use
what the wrong or baby because enye ono so
side o mu use
enye ono side no wrong the man e na oto ne bo ase boko na okope chili spice bi say makushishi di bi pa no ye ya ni nsu na ehye pa e na okope sa
pani anketwa bi obo mo de adi
na o ye ya na otwe sa strange na de ye no otwe abegina mu ana
odi gu condom ni
odi baby a yesili na no na fa na odi en kakra do
odi makori gu mu
apia gu mu aya no apia gu mu na ni na obo ne mama odi be ma sweat bi kakiti unu ya de ko
no oko yusu ye
no ko ro da we na obae no na adno
shiro
asa na note
makori e baji so
na ni ye kura na ya na obizan say are you okay say ontimi nka ti ehwa na ye ya so pese orun ade na was na de ba say na I say badi yi ayi ti wa no ka chen say o no kra bi ka chen na onka no nyi free no so da bi no so wana ono appoint
condom ne chen say
I say di no ya no how no so no say we na ko use bi a ko use say na eno a me na me afi be ma na ti we
amane mako
we twi amaro na say
kwa coronavirus no enkoye so nim Zlatan footballer you say what tested positive COVID-19 enti manfo
na say omo ya omo test yo omo ye ne
say omo de omo ye o omo ye pa before ebe match bia no ya scrutinize
onya no wen e fa no kofa no
ba bia ko ye hu ba bia fa no uzo no we ni patenti mu se tintin fo mo san pe nose mask cha no aya na mo ya mesre se o ware sa na o huni se wiem sa yare ni twam a obi sa wi o 5 say yare betuma fa na pampam kura enko ni huni
anya no kure
mu uzo that o wa pa o se no o wa
na say me hye aha no betra say
ba na won hye
na ha de me hye katama no an
but asama from pe nose mask ra
enra de o say
enra ko asama obi no se nose mask
enra omo
mi se asem san ko mo jam se na enra mo wo bre me no
uza na enra say selfie na we aba na utwa na
ba ye ti asama for we fantastic people
enra mi kodu ya na me bo modin apunu ye
kaku be wu be
because enra na crowd na no odin me ya na so mami bunu ga
ko punu anim tri what are you
yeah try what's
onu ai
what's so na ga upunu abende
na di gu adiem
ntutuo ni basa na
na ho me ko mu
na do we na kata ho na wo hyemu a
na so
yes ah
we tira krofo kra be wia
o twa me o me dem
eti ya tia asamanfo nyina kwaku enra omo ye mane ye we ya omo bo twi e be hia ye nyina awo ya dawo mase papa se ye ba ye na ye to nsa fro bo ba akwan ni mu nyina aye ma payment su nyina aye ma na de ba ko so me frefre asamane se da ba 90% of the boys na wa asamane de obia aye mpese otwani ti ase anu aye mpese wo soro omo fantastic people ana akwana na ye ayi ni wo shop na ni mu ano so ya de pa say oman ni shop ni
sa ma no afedu ba na crowd na ba na omo akova ni shop na afi hu ni shop
ba bia doma fem be ko bia crowd ni wo ho enti yen de say ye bia me ni papa be say ba gi space wo anim na oman ya you ready say the next 1 hour no de wapon adwuma enti ya da asamanfo nyina ase kwaku na nsen ye wo ha na ebeto dwa say eye amanyoku am ye the opposition party no NDC ebeto dwa say nyame ye o madom ne ekoto aba na omo ba aban mu a footballers here omo bere ya come eku bi no one betu on 1500 cedis a month we na eye owura Isaac Asiama ono na ohwe sports so okrum ha no ade abetu dwa say NDC is just deceiving Ghanaian footballers with fictitious promises fictitious just say promise Rise Kasiama or Nasamo on Canada.
On Canada, and
NDC say, Obetia players a car.
And no person say, mind you order dada, and certain teams here, oh, you're more than no one, or no more brave. Just I feel they didn't need it. I'm more to say, damn it. Adawsre so anonko ana ujina whom ye pa some coach na whom ye pa say house of folk players kotoko players a comedy bi eti be mom 15 now identity sa na kufa do this education ba enye na ye no say no when ya honest
and yeah and go first batch natural exam say we ana me boa ana me coach so we o ma wie eti kwaku a politics na omo ye no obi ani ni lemu because be person omo shabo na ko se o maka so mama yere no chop money am say bia aban bi mama hama say be ba obi am chop money bi o ye sorry pa won ko ha say this is assembly
one chop money
nini nyina na enya ye de obi se ne bo a enko kan bo ne ho ase
one na emi again is an
obi ami obi wa chiro
mo we nsa bi a emia eyi ho a
enti papa is Ghana for mon forget
baba ko pe wa na omo ye
nsa me je fini ne dom mon forget omo
na squad manage na was an omo fi TV phone bia o
TV phone bia
mo ko na
sa kwa ya na ba jese sa obe pe ma pa
Why? She's the only lady here. MultiMedia Group me sa wate. Nasha means I mean I'm so I'm born home. Mutimana mumetri feelings one on cause what I say.
But go any brad, so wife for about and yet that's quite only for say I ask a common how they say so wife for and yet sounds to call a mamma cock. Mina may share so. It's Bibi Ban home pay name my baby Sammy. Yes, I'm sure. They say social media say we are no be able to call. And by one and I want in the bono. Quakuja Empire Mobama and Quakutia about every post I was saying this generation is too deep into sex that we can't seem to form a meaningful relationship without the other person trying to have sex with you. And Obi-Ban say relationships are for sex. If you want ghost, call Bayern Munich. I'm saying, hey, as Obi-Ban on talk. Kwakuti before na baja some of the common number. So we the obas are to the common floor now. If I was I then season 3. Introduction in your a body pizza or so penetrate. Open up man a very say it's afraid akwaba. Yeah. That bibia boko. Yamina do experience say why. They say Simba instrument season 3 and once a month go say you could do pimco. You there call for participation. Call for the videos over 6,000 videos. Wow. In fact, I'm in headache. You could download it. We almost done. Okay, but explain to us this year because of coronavirus in Tinia, they don't think usually audition because some mobile places near there. They say no, send a places is not right, but this time round, you're quite in there, you're 200 and you're okay. You won't come see. After from one bra. Okay. And select out of it. Intina Yema, yeah, call for participation. So confuse one video where one video was by. Yeah. They screener, yeah, lot. To be no, they achim. Se wo tamale wo bogatanga wo ha na ya bro anu na yesu ngeshi yan kumase se wo western north western region central region yes wo ngeshi yan wankran oh okay e mo e takrade na wo so eastern region ashanti region has Kasaba hat wow wo so kasaba hat greater ground water oti yes wo so ngeshi yan wankran se wia yenyim de ye ba akra no you are coming to work with 200 people, 200 people, 300. So until that first now, I overwhelmed with the crowd because of COVID issues. Everybody saw a show nose mask, and go home, but social distancing, all the protocols will be observed. Yeah, selection of fine, yeah, Sondo, they are Sana start view. Now, Wadaroma, as I should have been. Saturday was the one and you start to obey. So, Pian Shannon, so there. So, I'm for video, I'm back. My young cadet, it's audition, but young one, the woman, sit down, but complicated to all right. Number and for confusion, because near you confusion. And I don't know. All right. So, that's a Kobe. You better him can say, be answer to me. Akoyi kama pa. Kwame Ntwaso na yakɔ anim no say Jerry happy birthday and koma Lina Ekuya Boahima Minta or your final year student wɔ University of Ghana Legon na we fi ne maame Chief Inspector Beatrice Asare of Nima Divisional Orderly Room ena Ubutu enti happy birthday enko ema Lina Ekuya Boahima Minta. Yanko anim. Kwaku yakɔ anim dia na kaya yofo na omkoko apai. Sesen. Omkoko apai nyina ne sɛ omse politicians we krom wa ade mu di agro. Na omope abato na. Asa omoso kran sɛ omo asɛm bi ba wo one of the campaign promises he moved. So be o. Say ayi aban was we so obesi hostess ama wo. And when train hostess now no apart on any show moto mu. And still yanto blog. And me say some promises say me take promise me say hey na want to we say promise bia. Who say kaya you kwaku. Kaya you wan. And your mom so aso man. And me for pan na my kaya you ana. Na ma me host adam. They come to say. Promise ni bi wo ha. With all due respect, and for the almost say, I'm some baby more promise. Can you no crown as I say to me, you carry your free work room? I say, what you had the best in the tea, no sound swan yama on the con, as I about this time, yeah. What you can you? Open watches and also a fictitious, you know, be it's so fictitious. kwaku una otu kwan okwa pete hun kayayo omko di dwame no mo de kofie
your uncle for mo yes adwuma ni bi
kayayo wa brochire
enye te se we nim
okita pan aso ne na pampam ofiri Virginia abekọ Alaska
your uncle for abetimi akoto ne ma obi omde bekọ akogya but enye onso a oni tiri so nso mo wo saa yi ni bi na ye de eye eyi no ebu a omo di bi e de frɛ no eti ode a
almost all my pump.
Or say, I don't know, Bedukan quote me and then once I had Jacabas. Now, the Ashaka Kunuma.
Maybe I don't have a problem with the job, but the American say, Saoka say, Ubesi, who sell a Makayo for who is a Kayayo? Kayo for some Buafu, Sansa, and Penfosos I say, Umbesi factories. I was so hot, send a bayer Omun Sunny. So I don't care anyone know. Say when you do one Kuama. Okay. It's your Matsi Kuobi. I am from Headquarters Association. Na everyone say headquarters in do na ma but we the president no Bema Bema na oda ekuna no chairman e for no Abubakar Aminu
timi so wa ho che
ai Abubakar Aminu champagne ai akanidi no what the say ekwan ampanifo de mo faso no o mka so mo nigi ho na mo boa asa mo be power na anya ban ba ko na anya ban mienu o mo keka nsema ye de kire mo kwakwa ye fo so mo do so pa o
mo do so
kuma se ko de mo tia kra
mo do so
kuma se ka ye fo ho pa what you say o mo de say afi we di o mo ne aban ne nkone sa enti sa ban no e fo so ontimi nya bibia mo onka nchom so be bia mo abra o mo nya mo kwakuna ayi ema mienu bia wari wanya fori ni bia
oh ma run in
o he video no
ma run in
video na no mu di asa reception
ma hwe ni na eja omo asem tv de mpe
no bi asem de be na de o mu ni say military for
mo mbehwe mo ko Facebook ye de ato
soja for abu afu ade chese ade na mo ye nyam na ma soja for abu ade obi na ode ne ho so be ware oba ade kwa de
uniform no
ba ko no nka ho onye soja so no so se soja tade na kromo amra no so chese unye soja ni a ye nche soja tade awari ni ceremony ni o mo ceremony kwa
na me se me pesa me kan bi
wo mani waduro ana mo de so mpe waduro mionu enti waduro mionu kasi ani ani o mo lie enti what just say and we find freedom of relationship
what just fa cho mo ko Facebook you see the videos and the
so tade no na ya asem na kan sesia no o ma wari ne de ni hu asem bia aka enti hwe ba ko na reception e koso oba ba ko no wa pomata den se bema ana we so pomata den kama but they are happy. The most important thing is that they don't look sad.
Now, if Omunya happy,
the moment they are happy, I'm happy for them. That is me. When somebody is happy, I'm happy for the person.
Onya happy, Uncle Bay.
And I mean, I'm out for the boy. I'm out for the boy.
I said, I'm for now. I said, I'm bushing for the Babette Tomochi.
But could you say,
Davina Papa, why too worried?
Don't mind this man.
Oh, no, no. But I say, baby, I do know. And continue to be a chimo.
But could you reception the criteria? What you say? A lesbian's work reception as a part.
I said, now
the technical coins. What you say? Oh, the 3 year no. Omo pa no omo have special identity be a woman pa na wahu. What's about be man the way be man aboniti kama and I know oya tola kakra sen de oya oba no and o twiri se na yen yetwi guest no a so se na yen guest yetwi omu yi saa no so tare ne to and o twiri saa no de nufu etwitwi na chi enti I what they dey akoso all right but soja tade na soja for se da bi won timi nche soja tade saa eta se mo nye asoja for enti eno ansem so kakra ewo ho eno no kwaku coronavirus medical ka ho asem da na menka biem che se kakra mi hunu che se Ghana for person say yare no ko yare no enko kra me di asama dey test case
atama
je be di atama enro me ba asama na me expect say anya hwere kra me hu nipa me ensa bia no a ba ko ense nose mask because the last year press announcement on company be ye was sense to say it's still a crime to walk outside without the nose mask.
Me say you need me opani kano me pese me ka say na me nya adwen but sa asem na no kan de no krindi na me san ha me say opani ka sa asem no
na
I lose as if say opani nim de ekoso okuri mu
oni ma say so ka
dabi asesa de o kan de asif say jamade no omo ye no chrom so mo nkoso anya mi wa de no omo nya dada I was saying, you know, say, Omo enforce. They say, for the enforce, no.
Any police for the
last, maybe can
law enforcers.
Maybe can I say, Kumua, yeah, debut, and yet fair. Be there are lots of people almost this idea way by from the beginning. Emrakro ya e wa mo say eno ye kwhye enti e ma sa face mask e ye ohye no mo de fa ho cheche nkrofo enye so obi say me I saw it with my eyes
you born for my
ayi teshinu ngwa kwan so ayi drivers any drivers mate for any passengers a mo nhye face mask ye cheche o mo nyina ne ade enso anei emra no eguso ho ye nka say ye giant no mo ye but people are walking about doing their whatever and obiansi obiahwe I said it here say the only places I be call a man for this one say obeko banking hall and any like institution be a year wall asa
but the kind of education that the man for furniture
even
you don't need the police to tell you to put on your mask
no but enforcement na papa no can say one eguso chiwan obianchi obi that is me my problem and even where he touched on the fact say pubs and beaches still remain closed. But Ogusu Kasano, people were partying at the beach. Ogusu Kasano, people were still at the beach and they were partying over there.
You can, I think the Austrians said, "Oh my, yes, I'm
Atiafaso, young tree in a son, a better faso, and go for a good beach one more Germany. As if say Corona be amplified. And Papa Susu say they remain closed. Closed is a say. And they are still there, almost party, almost Germany. Entwoma omo obi wa nanka da krope bia wo pia kwa wan shade bia ye de samra we di no sa oni pa kono have you been fair to that person
yo kwaku
it's not nice
and ye nua man so fa futo we entwom kotodwem de chese ye say wo odi obema wa wari achi no ka tell say I wish I had met you earlier before I got married ha be man ya hweni ye e entropa ya sponsor sponsored life. I am
sponsored by Married Men Association.
I am a pass. Mention was an American or Penny Pa, but or Basoa Jumia man. It's not a half a two team. If you say I'm bow and a loom by the board, you was order for Palm Mountain. But why do you still search after you have got one? And you be beyond the search. You are not searching. Dabi, match we were team at top or now football match. Dabi, football match. You do be a player be on one. Pass between me or no one. Shut down so far for some pass, Mister. It will quite deflection. Oh, striker hits it and a team defender be the band of better. Now pine now go wash it. Oh, and no so. You can do 18. Kwaku na. It doesn't sound those what to go. Where the last one in Mabakubi. Fa atu mame na memfa ama atiefo ene se picture ya jeko masani ama wi kwaku wi obi wakọ SD asori kakrada na se onim SD fo a nso mo wakuakuo wo mu e bia nso ne om dressing jeko mo saka picture no fa to ma atiefo na ababa wa yi oro de dressing ya no wo hwe nti o hia papa yi na no se wanya pilot I just said, Josiobia and the boyfriend, a pilot. A pilot, and on your pilot. Now, a uniform and a deputy out. And you put on our Facebook and so uniform. And so, any bit is a deeper life. JW for me and Bakubizuka. Salvation Army for me, I don't know. Almost uniform be almost a pilot. So, Ushana, pilot power and woman, I have one crest above one book. It's again not show be asking a pilot. Do you know the question of Panama or so? Nickel pilot neighbor or contrary. It's your one never pan no we ask a crack. Rakwan Nisuanos or keep a company bank Lufthansa now and also have you a pilot me a penny USD sorry. K4E of K4E Enterprise, K4E Limited. Can headquarters now war a year. I was painters no. I do my phone when I my war mid-year. And all over the country will be our tomorrow. And my K4E Biano, Domasene or some pound of some Ghana. And then my sister saw a friend Ruby Ajimine or Walk Helen, Texas. I mean, Shannon, I saw a bad down. Great, we have first condolence and command the senior pastor, Banner of Grace Ministries Committee 9, Prophet Franklin Nana Ajimine, na washre ne papa, nti omano shedding. Kwa kuni say accident be sia to so we follow recently and then running saying accident bebre o enye ntoboase why ya kwan nye na yenye ntoboase amanfo e kan spirit say me bronya ba kwaku anya spirit say bia onye wa kasia enye e kan ho driver wa bre no abo asra no the house ya to the num no the bass ya nim edipa over 40 egum no oda kwan so
yes Jehovah for the omonka atade no
Jehovah for the ommo uniform wo Jehovah so for
danka
o ya so uni mabusa omo aso what say kaso be Jehovah so for da
oh dabiti omo ranks o
but me dabiti
omo no mami chewa debi omo dewi omo yo omo nema no etinye se pastor nkwa na beti ya kanya oh tie ye wo levels wo nya
but Jehovah for ni so for let's establish the fact say so for ni Jehovah
omo wa so for omo wa so for mu pa omo no mu treni phone tie omo no mu treni mabu no ukohia mabu bi
ba onim Jehovah so for
amacho bi se de nyame asem odu de wuro mu masa
ba onim Jehovah so for bi ana
me se obi onim bi bia for ni send me ni di na minni
Jehovah so for
ni man ba ko bi pa
ça so no me ho ni e ko so for ni wo
trawe
your brothers omo be di anim na onye so for
etu okọ na anim anu abe elder omo elders
me say matter this year so for etu ka bosome tie ya gidi di usuro e go bank bosome ya yi bia
we mu de ntesa we no omusika send omo musika send to
we dey wo nim Jehovah so for bia fa ni test
omo de no unyia na akoduru so na
unyi age na so unyi unyame asem
aso ni na wa be elder nti omo elders sa na omo de ente say the Pentecost ye elders
ya so for di ni say
e na me ka say me de no untimi friend say so for say but obi o nyame adwuma de e den asofo na but or ye presiding elder
me method so for ye friend asofo for san
tie
ba ko bi ni wo sa
tie dem pese me cho no said the yen Pentecost elder ye recognize as sofo sa na JW4 de no so omo elder no omo recognize
but you said a Pentecost sofo on payroll that's what I'm talking about
eno de no ho nti eno ba no so chese omo sofo omo asofo omo ni omo
what's your boss good afternoon me Jehovah sofo o here bi da
o me elder o Jehovah JW elder omo hwe omo
sorry mani je ho pa ba ochin ne mempe mani je omo chere ho pa ba wo se me
na omo na fofo ba ko Lutheran fo no omo de omo chi no omo ye no bicycle so omo de mo bicycle omo na mo impress
omo chi bicycle
ya we adwuma na ni o
go dey see a chair fi what
adwuma no do snap afo ni sha ese afa bi gum kan all right so ya fast that kese ma Luma Trona we no anti malaria for the entire family ni nyina your friday ni on pay for the on patch so ho do ya say onya headache bi ni ade feel feverish di kan ko test or test positive for malaria pe immediately no amansa kan Luma Trona na wanom na eno atimi aboa na bibia akoyi e de amount na eno achi ni fast da my Airtel Tigo ne no welcome of kama panel de mount. Say Obabe enjoy free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 solid months only on Airtel Tigo. And once Obabe man can new Airtel Tigo SIM. Now I make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now what mean your free Airtel Tigo morning calls plus free Airtel Tigo transfers for 6 whole months. Maybe I now register away Airtel Tigo money so that very simple. Just dial *110#. Now I select option 2. Now if you was selected free morning offer at the account. Say be also bet me subscriber for only 2 cities. Now no pay be sorry. Also let me share concern free every morning. Be buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. And they DBS Industries they are basse in front of Ghana Madishi name say. And Crawford young Crawford Bukata. Na the woman now say I be where some boy mount teacher kaka. Na the woman say Safono a print or more invoices na so no warranty certificate receipt. And forged ones and on the man for na enye papa it will be a banu so na den na matres kama na mama bomb dan so mama so be hwem na sika ni kosi nchen ba bi me pacho o tro check ama DBS Industries and control be din also as a set ni na ye payable to DBS Industries Limited na bibia ni so agbache na ne yankasa why Accra, how bet me our friend 0302-817-211 and I'll bet me 212 and I feel so 0240-844-444 Kumasi for Befra I know 050-600-4141 Natak Radio for our friend 050-600-4242 Sunyani A 0352-196-904 now on the DBS Industries Eddie Enkita home. Jason about clinic. Asebra, Nene, Abefum Fidie Kama pa, yet Tintim Noir. etimi eye yare mu hwehwemu akosi ase ni hu ade potea ha ne de aduro aka na yare sanaba ti yare bi atitu bia hwe echi akwan ablekuma olebu 626 down na yensa yare pa eno atwe ne wonro ha yeton jaisu WMP capsules woyemu atim uja na ye nyeye wo de nom jaisu WMP capsules ebebubu bibia mu kama okotra ade no so na ni na besin na why free eboa prevent high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and excess fat and gas near clear no. Now for your black man and black woman booster and so on. And no there, need the answer a boost immune system no. Sebe ya hwode ma pabet mi abamu na etimi fight against every disease bia. Yen roni na no undi e fit 12 years e kwa untimi enumbi. E available e wona na bo ache about tema community 1 and our face so AA mensani nim there about water crade. King's Walk and our Repart Ventures and so or Kanshi Drug Lane and our Herbal shops to do name across the country. Ubenya Yenruibi Ato. Na obet me afre 0244 529 398 and our 020 826 3357. Now near Edincomo. Jaisu Herbal Clinic, the home of natural herbal medicine. Sankratui FDA. I mushi muaja to say yeah. And when you say dio your fama Nokia said nay or did Nokia phones papa abba a tie tree. Yeah, you were Nokia phones, yeah, a board more Android so not just say Nokia Android smartphones who are dancing a midi Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, C2, and other sleek Nokia Android smartphones. Yaman more megapixels, Sebe Albania top class quality, beautiful pictures and videos. Our long-lasting batteries now is to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps, you know, perfectly well. Once I count there when you be jump for any phone shops, I don't need them. No quite also pay. Nokia Android phones here about you. You do any chimo dock traffic lights. Okwa messages or being best sort out. Come on, Nokia is connecting people. Afe and they go TV and so ena edia bay say your mom dia. Na yan catch say and they go TV. We repositioning. Ewo enkran ha. Na de omu na say and the pa koso den ewo go TV so. Na we no entertainment overload. What you say? Entertainment overload. Go TV. Mom, plenty Ghanaian movies. Ewo Rock GH. Na fe India 4 series Z World, Ejagua, Star Life also Ejagua. A fair drama here, cause what Big Brother Nigeria if you we Nina so bet me a should no more afraid so yes, you are the na G and Da Vinci Kids, a fair PBS Kids, Discovery Family, Disney Junior, Nickelodeon, Jim Jam, and a fair Ghana Learning Channel, no, and also Ejagum or den. Sanso and a yeah, ma football papa. La Liga, Serie A, a fair Premier League, and then they can come baby na. I just say any English commentary papa be a general naso. Ye dragum edemawa. Sape penete. It will be 24/7 entertainment overload for the whole family ankasa and a Go TV edemawa. If you are already on Go TV or Go TV decoder be dada. We know the one say you try a reconnection or atumwa. Na entertainment overload wetimi anya bi wetimi are connected from as low as 22 cities using my Go TV app and now be call any Go TV dealer bi anchen you best sort it out. Terms and conditions apply. Go TV, live it, love it. Not just say almost so dia omo edi abebum no na yeah dey sorry so you know Mastercard something can show say the first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It ignites passion. It's the start of friendships between strangers on the same side. It is you screaming your lungs out to cheer your team on. It is the exhilaration of your favorite player scoring the winning goal. And say, we'll celebrate your team no being crowned champions. The first whistle is just the start of something priceless. Don't just watch it, live it. Mastercard, the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. And no, and no.
Me brother, my friend Michael, no, the amoni anwa bia mani say me fa ma wo da bia me de bana me de continue de so be pa do yanki ase mu na e bo check akra na me akọ na mako yi am aguka ni mu ache
me akasa kra dwon so de
nti ko dwon so no afa so kwa
so ya ko dwon so na aguka mu ache de say ne wa na say ku
da bia mo de nsay America mo de nsay rough from
why ga jo e de we wi ase say
chance ha na say de okwa yi ti de me dan de kofi oba
for come on pon be no adi
me de come on pon e de be ya nwa mo
happy birthday in advance is it P.O. John Asiedu? Oh no John Asiedu of Ghana Army. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins and prosperity from Nana Kwantabisa Nafe. Happy birthday and call Emma happy
Omo almost say na mu say ya ni na kan ti amu say ni ye man yesem
yem komra ye ba no mabachi na dia ye di ahwe ya mato bomb.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
No pano do die. Na Ghana for be 5 million na ate what to say. Be emprenu. What trotro mo. Haji ya watch line mo.
Have you heard? Say Airtel Tigo calls. Any Airtel Tigo money transfers. And you free. Sa busuminsia. I know. Sa pepe. So what to Airtel Tigo sim. Now the Airtel Tigo money no did you bia and no calls. Any Airtel Tigo money transfer. And you free. Sa busuminsia. Spread the news here. Now we need ya.
Konkosano gele.
Airtel Tigo sim and ya.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Check this out. Enhwemu kyerɛ afibia enipa malaria ekuo mo wiasa fana nyina ebro opepem baako over 1 million people. Dia beboa ne sesese. Malaria edro lumatrona anti-malaria drug aba. Emofra enum lumatrona syrup no. Nempenfo nso efa lumatrona tablets. Oho yehye utipa wo. Wo malaria test ne bi wom. Hwehwɛ lumatrona anti-malaria drug. Every pharmacy na chemical shop ya eben wo no. Ninsi pharmacy ene ton dodo. Accra wo Kaishi drug lane. Eno sawa Medina. Fra 050-2174-361. Kumasi nso Ninsi Pharmacy ewo Ashtown opposite Salvation Army no. Fra 0322-039-889. Lumatrona, don't let malaria kill you, please.
FD ahwehwe sa ejede nkratoe mu agye atum se eye.
Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono, I am Mukono. Slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah, I am Chinner Hawaii. Me, a funny, no more bomu. No baby, sure, I am no kuno. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP.